No holes barred, I'm the fist of the North Star. I walk hard through these wastelands as the buzz guard. Future's got me charged. When it comes to bars, charge the whole squad, spits fire on the analog. I'm a sniper in the fog, baby more. Check the God of War. Been on the way before 94. War's my sound, buck 'em down, metric tons of rounds. On the battlegrounds, no clowns rocking gowns. Slowly die, you're a damn fiend. Should I blast your boy and watch your motherfucking star scream? You won't see me till it's too late. Show up and disappear in the summer like a snowflake. Waste niggas die greasy, I'm a rare species. Fuck treaties, fuck your breezies like chocolate Phillies. You only really peep the dilly after turn beats to cadavers. Watch the world go bananas,
hey,
you'll see.
Tryna catch me, only thing you're catching is shots out the semi. Sipping Henny, but I hold it steady when I'm dumping off. With a bag of Becky, ducking on these in the Chevy. Cause I'm about the action. If I was acting, I would get the Emmy. But this ain't Denzel, this is Falcon, Outlaw from the city. Ask about me, get no Twitter fingers or no gun emojis. You don't know me, all my raps is headshots straight to the dome. Before and after every shot, you know we out here screaming Kobe. I'm in the telly, counting every single penny. If you short me even 20, I'ma circle back and leave it messy. Shots party in your belly, your brain flying like confetti. Bars on the city, that's why Futurewave and Cypher lick me. Turning out blocks to beaches, leaving the ground shelly. I got a link at the deli, so I turn them into sliced turkey pictures. Then I knock it out the park. There was strawberry, never soft. No days off, bitch, I'm always ready.
Sharpshooter spark, never chalk, cold and hot. Hits for higher, spit fire, keep the blaze sharp. The best there is, was, or ever will be.